Hi, welcome to It's Chowtime. I have created this channel to show you how I make easy home-cooked meals. On today's vlog, I am going to show you my version of the ready-to-cook Jollibee Chickenjoy. Let's begin by preparing the ingredients. In a shallow dish, crack and beat the eggs for 1 minute. In another bowl, combine 1 cup of flour, half a cup of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of Spanish paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground pepper, garlic powder, and salt. Then mix well. Align your chicken, beaten eggs, and breading. Dip your chicken first into the beaten eggs, then to your breading. Do not forget to tap excess mixture, then transfer the chicken into another clean plate as you continue to dress the remaining chickens. Ready your pan and turn the heat to medium-high and then add canola oil. I personally prefer to use my cast iron when doing a deep-fried dish. Once your oil is ready, carefully place the chicken into the pan. I advise you to fry your chickens in batches. I cooked the first 4 chickens and then the other 4 after. You may not be able to achieve a crispy fried chicken if you crowd the pan, so remember to cook them in batches. Cook the chickens for about 18 to 20 minutes or until golden brown, turning the chickens every 4 to 5 minutes. Once cooked, take the chicken out of the pan, place the fried chicken onto the plate with paper towel to drain the excess oil. So there you have it, my version of ready-to-cook Jollibee Chickenjoy. Thank you for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and do not forget to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram account @_itschowtime_ and Twitter account @itschowtime. So thanks again for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye!